Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up a new monthly subscription with you guys. This box is from dollarbead.com and this is their curated bead box. Every month they have a new theme, and this box is for the month of May, and the theme is Spring Blooms. This is a $20 monthly subscription, and I have a coupon code for you guys to get 35% off your first purchase. The coupon code is AGERM35. I will put the coupon code up now on the screen, and I will also put the coupon code down there below in the description bar, and I will also put a link for their subscription box so you can go directly to their website to get this box if you want it. And I'm also going to put links to their social media sites, and I recommend that you go check them out on Instagram and their other social media sites, because there you'll see previous month subscriptions so you know what they have to offer. It's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and look at this box. So first of all, I love that they have this big sticker on here, and this looks like beads that are in the box. And here are the names of the beads. I really like that they do this. And over here, this looks like codes that you can put in on their site to reorder. And then we have some stuff down here. This says, bead sizes and types may vary due to availability. These items are available on dollarbead.com using our model numbers. Yep, so that's the codes right there. And then it says, each box also contains a finding starter kit. That's awesome. Which includes crimp beads, elastic, beading wire, memory wire, head pins, jump rings, ear wires, and lobster clasp. That is so cool. So let's go ahead and open this box up. I gotta get my knife. Alright, so I think I open it here. Alright, got some tissue paper here. Wow, this is very heavy. Oh my gosh, those are awesome. Okay, make sure I got everything out. And I'm going to sit this over here so I can read the names. I'll go ahead and close the box, because I want to find the things here in the pile. These are so cool. I love those big flowers. Alright, next, first thing on the list here is 10mm violet glass pearl bead. This is an 8-inch strand, so that's probably this. Yeah, because those are the only, well, these are kind of pearls. But, these are very pretty. These are huge. I don't think I have this big of a strand of pearls this color in my stash. Those are beautiful. I love those. The next thing is 8mm pale green rustic glass pearl bead, 16-inch. This is epic. Yeah, I think I like this more than the purple ones. I don't have pearls like this. Wow, those are so gorgeous. Peridot is my birthstone, and this is like peridot green right here. Those are gorgeous, and what a huge strand. It's really heavy. And purple and green are awesome together. Next thing is 8mm turquoise semi-opaque faceted glass bead, 13-inch. This? No. Semi-opaque, oh, it's faceted. And it's 8mm. So I think it's this one. 8mm turquoise semi-opaque faceted glass bead. Yeah, 13-inch. Yeah, I think I'm right. That's gorgeous. Look at that. That's very pretty. I do not have this shade of blue in my stash. Yeah. I love those too. And I like all three of these together. Those are pretty together. Next thing is 8mm Milky white semi-opaque glass bead, 14-inch. Is it going to be this one? Milky white. I think so. Next to this, it has a yellowish color. Watch. Do you see how that's picking up that? And it's going to make it look yellow. This is also very pretty. I love milky looking glass. Those are gorgeous. Another huge strand. That's a very big strand of beads. Okay. And then, I'm trying to stay to the list. I have a hard time staying to the list. Next thing is 6mm pale purple semi-opaque faceted glass bead. Okay, so 6mm, is it this one? Pale purple semi-opaque faceted glass. Yes, this one's also really pretty. And oh my gosh, this does not look like glass to me. This looks like tanzanite. This totally looks like tanzanite gemstone. This is really gorgeous. Yeah, that really looks like tanzanite. Wow. I love that one too. Next thing is 6mm yellow gold team in school glass bead. 16-inch. This? I think so. This is an awesome shade of yellow. Yeah. Yellow is like a really hard bead for me to get a hold of in my stash. If I were to go through all of my beads and show you my collection, you'll see that yellow is the color I have the least of. For some reason, like when I go to craft stores and stuff, it seems like there's not many yellow beads. Don't know what it is about that. This is really pretty shade of yellow. That's very pretty. And it looks good with all of these. I like the color mix they have here. Next thing is 8mm turquoise gemstone bead, 7 through 8 inch. This one, this is pretty. Love this. You know, turquoise is my favorite color. Those are gorgeous. And I like them with the yellow. I also like it with the green. Really nice mix here. I'm loving this mix. These are mind-blowing. I can't believe how big these are. They are really huge. Next thing after that is 18mm color dyed turquoise flower charm, 16-inch strand. This is huge, and 18mm. These beads are enormous. I like every color too. Look at how big this is. It is massive. You know, these would be awesome. And that bracelet I just did, I'll put a picture of it up now because I think I just put the bracelet away. I just did a tutorial on those Creative Dreams bracelet, and this bead would be perfect for that as the center bead. And you can make several bracelets. That's a lot of beads in that strand, okay? Oh, these bags are gorgeous. I love all the colors. Next thing says 4.5 inch feather silver metal bookmark. This? Yeah. This is awesome. I've gotten a mermaid one before, and another one just had fancy designs on it. But that is pretty. I want to try using this as a hair stick thing, because you know, using this as a bookmark, you put like little bead dangles here. But I want to know if I can get this to work in hair. But I have to like look up videos on how to even put a hair stick in hair to see if it would work. But yeah, that's cool. Next thing is 30 by 10 millimeter feather silver metal charms for these. These are cute. Ooh, these are chunky. They're double-sided too. See how chunky? These are really nice quality. I like those a lot. Okay. Next thing is purple, fuchsia, turquoise, organza gift bags. These are my favorite colors right here. So pretty. And then we have the findings. I'm going to check this out. It doesn't say, by the way, This right here is the last thing. But the findings, remember, we read that down here of what's going to be in the bag. So here are jump rings. These are nice jump rings. They're thick gauge. Love that. Here is the memory wire. And it looks like there's several coils here. Yes. There is. Oh my gosh, 8 coils. Yeah, that's a bunch of coils. And let's see, we have ear wires. There's a bunch of ear wires there. And lobster claws, 4 lobster claws. Wow, there is a lot in this subscription. There's so much. Bead string wire. And elastic cord. There's a lot of elastic cord here too. I want to see how long this is. Yeah, there is, let me see. There is a lot here. I think this is about 3 feet long. So you could make several bracelets. Yeah, I think this is like 3 feet of cord. See how long? Maybe 4 actually. Let me fold it again. I think there's 4 feet. I was wrong. Yeah, there's about 4 feet of cord here. This is awesome. What a great subscription box. Here is everything we are getting from the Curated Bead box, and I have to tell you guys, I've opened several bead subscriptions, but this is the first time I've ever opened a bead subscription and felt like I just left a bead show. And I guess it's because these strands are so long. I've never had that before with other bead subscriptions. This is the first time, so I really feel like I'm getting a lot for 20 bucks. And there's a coupon I give you guys, 35% off your first order, so you'll save $7 off. So this is a pretty awesome subscription. My favorite strand in this box is the flower one, because I'm a flower freak. You know that if you watch my tutorials. I really love this strand, and I find it unbelievable that I can go back onto Dollar Bead and reorder this strand. Right here it is, 18 millimeter. Right there's the code. Reorder this strand for just $1. That is unbelievable. There's no way that I can go to a local craft store in my area and get this strand for $1. First of all, it would never be 16 inches long. It would be probably 6 inches long, and that's about how many beads I would get. And it would probably be like $6 for that strand. So that's unbelievable, that right there, that I can go and get that strand for $1. And these glass beads right here, they really do look like tanzanite to me. They don't look like glass, and I love those. And the green bumpy pearls, I've never seen these before, but those are epic, and I would like to have these in every color. So I'm blown away by this box. 20 bucks, what an awesome deal. And also, don't forget, I have a coupon code for you guys. It is AGERM35, and I will put the code down there below in the description bar, and also I will put a link for the Curated Bead box down there below. This is a pretty awesome box. I'm really happy with this, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this box opening as much as I did. Remember to like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.